Hello guys, this is Duckman back with our redstone tutorial. Here's our cannon, and I will be showing you a redstone design and some numbers about this cannon. Now, I got some more improvements, and apparently it's not a 300 block cannon, it's a 430 block cannon. Because the sweet spot for this cannon is actually right in the middle. Now, that was kind of a bad shot, but we got 380. My record is 428 for the cannon. And since it uses 16 TNT, that's about 26.5 blocks launched per TNT. Now, with the normal cannon that everyone else uses, when you launch it, the best launching area is like swimming, and I got 105 for a max on this. See, there was that 105 mark, but it's probably more of 100 because of the 7 blocks when you see it normally on the map. And that's about 13 blocks per TNT. Now, I'll show you the tutorial on this right now. Now, the first part of this is the structure. You first want to start off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks away and stagger torches up to the same level as the 16th piston from the bottom to the top. Then you make 3 blocks, a pit, and another block where you have that stagger start. You put a lever right here too for the initiation. Then you have full row over that torch, then another full row. Then this is where it starts getting a little tricky. You have 2 blocks and then a block right here, and then you stagger up to the next one, full row, 2 blocks, block, staggering up, and then you do that same thing one more time. Now we go over here to see what redstone we do. First redstone is a repeater at 4 clicks. Then you have 2 redstone and another repeater at 3. Then you have the next torch staggered with 2 redstone, a full maxed out repeater, and one repeater with nothing on it. Then you have another redstone torch where you put a redstone, then a redstone torch with a repeater after it, full redstone above that torch, and another full repeater. You stagger it up a little more to another redstone torch and do the same thing except for 3. Then you go up to the next one doing the same thing, except on this time you don't have any repeaters. The next section of this is also redstone, the initiation, what causes the TNT to light, and that is redstone torch, and then you put a block above that with redstone. Straight across from that you have a torch on top of the block. Straight left of that there's a redstone torch. You put a piece of the city above it and then a redstone. Straight to the right, redstone torch, block above it, redstone, and you keep on doing that till you're all the way to the top. Also, for safety, if you're doing this in survival mode, you can try to make a little safety mechanism, and that will make it to where you have around 12 repeaters on full right here. Well, actually maybe like 16 to be really safe. And then the TNT will light, and when you pull the switch right here, the TNT will sit here, explode, you're up in the air, and while you're up in the air, this will pull out. So then you won't die from fall damage. And that's my redstone tutorial. I'll be coming up with another video on some different TNT. This will be a section called TNT Works. So Duckman out. I like cheese.